Hi, my name is Ana Paulina Hernandez, and I will talk about the Roman Colosseum. Rome is a city with an exemplary infrastructure because it has the most ostentatious palace, the best avenues, and the most spectacular show halls. It was in the year 71 AD that the Emperor Vespasian ordered the construction of the Roman Colosseum, the largest amphitheater the entire empire. Respective features, Rome, the measurements of the Roman Colosseum were 57 meters high, 188 long, and 156 wide, and had 80 entrance arches allowing access to 55,000 people who were placed according to the social rank. The emperor and the other members of high society sat as close as possible to the arena, and as the stands moved away from the arena, the spectators' social rank decreased. The official inauguration lasted for 100 days, and it was built in a valley after a small lake between the Palatine, Esquiline, and Celio hills had dried up. The Roman Colosseum was the scene of various events such as races, gladiators, fights, and even reenactments of Roman naval victories during the splendor of the Roman Empire, and was a fundamental part of public entertainment. The lower floors could be filled with water tanks to a sophisticated channeling system, allowing naval battles to be held. Why is it broken? During the Second World War, it suffered the effects of attacks, bombings, and bullets that left it in the ruins. But despite this has become a cultural asset of the city and the world, surviving time and the wars. Throughout the years in the Colosseum, several things were done. Among them, a church was put inside. It was used as cemetery. The stands served as shelter, and some nobles built a fortress taking advantage of its high walls. The stones and other elements were used for different constructions. And two important facts. Where is the best to visit the Roman Colosseum? Currently, in summer, it is not a good area, since many people go and it is not possible to properly appreciate the Colosseum, and also there are long lines to enter. For that reason, it is better to go in low seasons that are between November and February. The people, many people. Here you can see different photos inside and outside the Colosseum. Inside and outside the Colosseum. Thank you.